Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about the crypto markets, what's going on today, why we're having a little bit of a sell-off, and a new coin that everybody seems to be talking about, Worldcoin, a massive potential AI project, actually something to make AI safer for you and me. And this is a crypto coin that has recently been listed on several exchanges, Binance and crypto.com to be specific. Has absolutely massive gains that occurred, and now it's coming back down. But what's the story on this token, and is Elon and Musk involved in this project? Let's explore this a little bit and get into the video, guys. If you like the content, smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Let us hop right in. Now, the market is down slightly today, 3%, because Federal Chair Jerome Powell and the Board of Governors are getting together this week, and there's an announcement coming in just a day or two where the Fed is going to decide whether they're raising the interest rate or if they're going to keep it the same or lower it. Pretty much everybody at this point believes that they will raise the interest rate. The big question we'll see take a toll on the markets, either in a positive way or a negative way tomorrow, is if the Federal Chair Jerome Powell comes out and says, we're raising the interest rates and we expect to raise the interest rates in the future. That could be for bearish news, guys, and that could make downward price action happen for Bitcoin and the traditional market. But if the federal chair says, hey, this is our last rate hike, then that could actually prove to be very bullish. So we kind of have two ways to look at it. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin's currently trading at 29,000, Ethereum at 1850, XRP down to 70 cents. We said that this would take a dip from its previous highs because nothing goes straight up overnight. It takes time, guys. And when you see an absolutely skyrocket moment on a coin, you typically say, maybe that's the time to take profit. And when you see the fear coming down, that's when you look to buy the dip, which might be a good opportunity for Bitcoin and Ethereum right now because people are fearful for the Federal Chair Jerome Powell. But let's talk a little bit about this new project. So breaking news, OpenAI, Sam Altman launches World Crypto Project. This is a new token on crypto.com, on Binance, that people are getting pretty hyped up about because it had some pretty big gains. Now, it is retracing right now. We'll take a look at the chart in a second. But for those of you guys that don't know, Sam Altman and Elon Musk created OpenAI, which is a competitor to ChatGPT. So the king of Tesla and this fella Sam Altman were really trying to compete against Google, against ChatGPT here. And now Sam Altman launches this Worldcoin crypto project. Now, the concept of this project is this. The project core offering is its World ID, which the company describes as a digital passport to prove that its holder is a real human, not an AI bot. To get a World ID, a customer signs up to do an in-person iris scan of your eye using Worldcoin's orb, a silver ball approximately the size of a bowling ball. Once the orb's iris scan verifies this person is a real human, it creates a World ID. So this could be a world where you're a verified user now on Twitter or on X app, and it is definitely you because you can verify it with this World ID. Now, this is something that Elon Musk has spoken about, that he wants people online to all be their true identity, no alias accounts. And that's very, very interesting because I've actually been listening to some podcasts recently, and in one of those podcasts, I've come to find out that Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, actually, the truth is these individuals did use aliases when they were starting to write news articles about their ideas. They even wrote fake news articles combating their own fake identities in the media to try to get people to start talking about what they were actually proposing. So the most famous people in the history of our country use aliases. Should we be able to use it? I'll let you guys answer that question for yourself. There's a lot of really great things that can happen with knowing that somebody is really them. And there's also a lot of bad things that can happen, right? Government censorship can definitely be a thing. That's why people have fears of CBDCs. But at the same time, transparency and honesty and accountability for your identity is another thing. And it could also make, really this would bring more possibilities to banking the unbanked and making it as safe as possible for everybody out there in the crypto market. So this is an interesting concept, and this coin is associated with this project. But the big question I have is Elon Musk involved? I mean, the price action for this did go pretty well. As you can see, the chart starts on July 24th, and so we are literally on the first day of trading. It went up. Some people are saying it went up to $5. On this chart from crypto.com's price charts, I'm seeing $3.09 and currently on its way down. If I had to guess, guys, I would say that this token price goes down right now for a couple reasons. One, Bitcoin's not really going up. Two, when a coin initially launches, or even a stock, Coinbase is a great example. When Coinbase stock launched, it went way, way down from $400 down to below $100. And that's kind of something we see. If you look at Tectonic Finance, look at VVS Finance, look at some early DEX coins as well. And you can see that some of these coins go big, pop a little bit, and then eventually start to discover their floor and then move up from there. So whether or not this is a good project, who knows? But crypto.com did list this. Binance listed it. It is one of the most popular traded token on the day. And it is very interesting because the real benefit to this is if AI is going to come into the future, guys, then you will not want AI to deceive you and me from thinking that this AI fake person is a real person. You want to be able to determine the difference between an AI internet troll and a real world person, which is where your Worldcoin identity could come into the picture. Because if AI is coming, we don't want to be mistaken on whether something's real or whether it's an AI protocol, right? And so this is where this is beneficial. So in an AI world, I do believe that Worldcoin is very, very important, but let's see how they do it. Let's see if it takes any jeopardy on our rights as U.S. citizens or as a citizen from any of your democratized countries from around the world. So a very, very interesting thing I want to share with you guys. And you can see some of Elon Musk's comments here, right here. It does seem weird that something can be not profit, open source, and somehow transform itself into a for-profit closed source, likening it to an environmental organization created to save the Amazon rainforest that transforms into a lumber company. So what he's doing here is he is talking about ChatGPT that was originally supposed to be nonprofit, open source, and now it's for profit and it's closed source. And this is like a rainforest environmental group that turns into a lumber company. You know, they're putting their foot in the door, saying they're doing it for a good thing, but then now they're changing that and they're really taking control over this. And Google now owns it, and Elon Musk is scared and it's dangerous. And so I really do believe that Elon Musk is not only deeply involved in it, it's a fact that he is involved in OpenAI, but now I think there's also a chance that he's involved in likely Worldcoin as well. And if there's an integration on the Twitter wallet, or let's call it the X app, where they somehow integrate this AI and they integrate these web IDs, this could be a very interesting thing to start considering when you're thinking about what coins are going to go up, the Elon Musk pump ability. Some people are talking about Dogecoin. Is he going to pump up Dogecoin? Well, officially, he has just reclaimed the title of the world's richest person. So with that, he has a lot of influence. So it'll be very interesting to see how he affects the crypto market. If you go back to the previous history in Bitcoin, and you'll see that Elon Musk actually did pump the previous bull run. Now, Worldcoin is pretty interesting. And just so you guys know, it is built on Ethereum's sidechain Polygon. So for all you Polygon fans out there, this could be huge for you. Or if the project is irrelevant and it's a flop and it's a nothing project, which is certainly possible, well then, you know, it's just another project. But I think that there might be something to this. I will consider buying this just based on some of the research that I've done, but I am not recommending that anybody out there buys it. I'm not going to buy it for a while until it finds kind of a true bottom, because I think we still have an accumulation phase here and we have some volatility ahead. Now, if the Fed comes out tomorrow and they say, we likely think we're going to raise the interest rates, and we likely think we're going to have to raise the interest rates again down the road, I would expect Bitcoin to possibly fall down to this $27,300 level before rebounding up, and it might even hit a deadly August and September. And there's a chance, guys, there's really a chance that we could come back all the way down to $20,000 one more time. Now, do I think that the markets are going to come back down to the $8,000, $9,000 level? No. Is it possible? Certainly. But I am bullish. Do not be mistaken, guys, that I am bullish. I likely expect a bounce off the yellow line, and then we continue up, in my opinion, with some painful sideways action up in here, you know, below $40,000. Let's see how it plays out. But the overall crypto market is very, very bullish. Over time, it goes up and to the right. You see Elon Musk and some of the biggest players in the world getting involved in this. AI is becoming more and more serious. Now there's crypto tokens launched by big backers to help keep AI safe for humans. It's all very interesting, and it's all tying back into crypto and it's pretty exciting, guys. If you are bullish, if you are excited, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, just always remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here. Check them out. Peace.